Today we are going to learn how to achieve latest Ruffles head wrap. Let's get started.
Dead baby, what's up?
Gele, the crafty producer.
Hello everyone, hello people, welcome to my channel. This is Dead Beauty. Yes, today we are going to learn how to achieve this latest V front Ruffles Gele. Yes, you start from the back, you divide it 30-70. The measurement is 30-70. Because this Gele is not too long, so that is the reason I start from the back. If you have Gele that is not that too long, if you want to achieve V for front, so it's better you start from the back so that you just create your V from the back side. Okay, my people, all I need from you is focus. Focus and concentrate your eye on my hand. With that, you will learn one or two things. Okay, there is a little trick of this Gele style, because even my colleague, they keep asking me if Gele is short and you want to do V and you want to do Ruffles. How? So this is just the trick. You start from the back, you create your V. That V for front, we normally do it for celebrant. If you want to do unique style, you create V for front. V, okay. So that 30 that I take from the other side, I use to create the first pleating. Then the 70 from this side, I create pleating as well. You create like as many pleating you can, because I want to open the back side of her hair because she have nice hair at the back. Anytime you have nice hair at the back, you can create as many pleating you can. If you don't have nice hair, you create like 4 to 5. You reserve a little bit for you to cover the back side. Okay, my people, focus your eye on my hand. In case you are wondering where I base in United Kingdom, London. You can book me for your photo shoot, your makeup, your Gele, your birthday, your events. We are many in one beauty. We do the traditional bridal hair. We do makeup. This makeup was done off camera. So these days, I don't film my makeup. I just film just the Gele, because my audience, they like head wrap. See the secret, my people. Okay, you see the secret. See? Once you achieve the V, now you take that 70, take it back again to where it's coming from. I said the Gele is coming from. Okay, anyhow I explain, just understand what I'm trying to say. Okay, do you know the 70 we use to create the next V? Then we now take it back again to the other side where the Gele was coming from. Take it back again. That is the secret. You take it back again. Now you just create your folding and use pin to secure the underneath, so that the Gele will look so firm. Yes, my people. Then you make sure you use pin at the bottom, and once you start your Ruffles and use pin, so that is just the trick of this style. You see that end part of it, just use pin. Some people say, how did I start and have that end part? I take from this side to the other side, I use pin. Okay, my people. Then once you use pin, make sure you use pin to secure there like 2 to 3 pin or 4. Then you start your Ruffles. You start ruffling it, my people. Hey, Ruffles. Some people say I don't pronounce it better. I don't pronounce it well. It's Ruffles. In case, but this thing I'm doing now, this rough. You rough the material. You rough it at the middle. You pin the top. Rough it. You see the way I look at my hand. You rough it at the middle. See the way I want to put pin now. You use pin to pin the top. Okay, my people. This is my beautiful customer. She's here. She's going to event, and she didn't come with her outfits for the day, for the event. So I tell her to send me picture later. So she later sent me some picture after she already put on a dress. The outfit was so nice and she looked so good. Now she is here for just the makeup and the gele, and the dress is at home. That is the reason. Even the earring is at home. That is the reason we did not have the full picture on my studio, because the earring is not here and the dress is not here. Yes, my people, see the way I'm just using my hand to set it up, and I put pin in the area that need pin. That is it, my people. This style, we normally give it to whoever that is celebrating, because all those general one like round fan is for the party guests. But if you want to do extra something for any of your customer or your celebrant or for photo shoot, you will just come up with something like this. Okay, because if you go Instagram, something like this, neither they tie these days. This is the latest. So the back side, just fold nicely and use pin. Fold it and use pin the area that needs pin. That is it, my people. It's very easy. In case you don't like this style, I have many different style on this my YouTube channel. In case you are watching me from YouTube, yes, I have 2 YouTube channels. The other of my YouTube, that is where I do more explanation. I always go live on YouTube in my new YouTube. My new YouTube name is Deg Beauty Life, because we do live on YouTube there with chronic explanation. How to tie gele on yourself, how to do makeup by yourself. That is what we do there. Operation do it yourself. You can do it. So if you want to learn with more detail, more explanation, but in case you are in a hurry, don't come. Don't come to my platform and start rushing me. Never. I don't want to see you come there. If you know you can't wait for explanation, don't come to my new YouTube channel, because that place is for more explanation. We explain all the length, everything there. So my new YouTube channel, please come there if you want more explanation. Is Deg Beauty Life. The link, the name, I will write it on the description box. Go to this description box in case you are watching me from YouTube. Is there the name of the new YouTube channel? Yes, that is her on the event. You see the way she looks so gorgeous. She look take away. And if you are watching me from Facebook, I have 2 Facebook as well. Follow me on my 2 Facebook page, Deg Beauty, and the other one is Deg Beauty Life. Leave your comment down below. See you on my next video. Thank you. Book me for your event. Bye bye.
Jehovah carry me, they go, the beauty. Carry me, they go.